Create a new game object. To see meshes in Unity, you need a mesh renderer component to make a mesh filter visible, a mesh filter component which references a mesh, and a mesh which contains the data. We will generate the mesh and assign it to the mesh filter inside a script. Create a new script. Name it anything that comes to mind. In this script, we will create two methods, DrawFilled and DrawHollow. For the DrawFilled method, we will need two variables, an integer representing our polygon sides and a float radius. To create the points of the polygon, I divide a circle in as many slices as sides and calculate their positions with sines and cosines. I go into deeper detail about this on my How to Draw a Circle with Line Renderer video. It's time to create our triangles. In order to make sure our triangles are facing the right way, we draw them in clockwise positions. Otherwise, they may not be visible in some cases. Triangle data is represented as a series of integers. Each set of 3 tells our mesh to draw a triangle between those 3 indexes in its vertices list. For this method, we will draw 2 triangles less than the amount of sides. While we loop through our desired triangle amount, we will assign the first position of each triangle to always be at index 0. The second position to be at our current loop iteration value plus 2, and the third position to be the iteration value plus 1. This ensures all triangles are drawn in a clockwise manner. Once you have your vertices and triangles, assign them to your mesh. In our DrawHollow method, we will take in 3 variables, the amount of sides, the radius, and also an inner radius. To get our points, we first get the outer polygon points, then the inner ones. In this method, we will need twice as many triangles as there are sides. To draw them, I will loop through all the outer points and draw 2 triangles in clockwise positions in each one. I draw them in a way that drawing the 2 triangles at the next point with the same rules won't make any overlapping triangles. Once my triangles are drawn, I assign them to my mesh. Now, thanks to the rest of the script setup, I can press play and draw polygons and toggle between the 2 modes. You could use DrawHollow for filled polygons too, and simply have the inner radius be 0, but that would be more inefficient due to triangle count.
I hope that you enjoy this video. I hope that you subscribe. I hope that you can have a good time regardless if you subscribe.